'Cause I was 19 when Shandy came, and I no one seemed to like her name. But I heard it in a song and I thought it sounded so sweet. Now she's 9 years old and all arms and legs, and follows me everywhere and always begs me to play. Come on, Daddy, let's play. But I never was no count for anything. All I ever wanted to do was sing. The yard's overgrown and my roof leaks, and me and my neighbors, we rarely speak. And I never gave a damn about cars and guns, just as long as they'd shoot and as long as they'd run. I guess it's a good thing I never had a son. Well, I was 21 when Jessica came. I heard the Allman Brothers song and I liked that name, and I thought it sounded so good with Lemoyne. I named her after my Aunt Lemoyne. Now she's 7 years old and thinks I hung the moon, and I hope it don't hurt her when someday soon she finds out I ain't nothing special. I'm just a lonely man. 'Cause I never was no good for anything. All I ever wanted to do was sing. The yard's overgrown and my roof leaks, and me and my neighbors, we rarely speak. I never gave a damn about cars and guns, just as long as they'd shoot, as long as they'd run. And I reckon it's a good thing I never had a son. Well, then I was 24 when Cheyenne came. The grievous angel left me her name, and the innocence in her eyes, God, it chills me. But I heard her mother too many times out here trying to make these sad songs rhyme. But something inside me just tells me it's gonna be worthwhile. 'Cause I never gave a damn about anything, and all I ever wanted to do was sing. The yard's overgrown and my faucets leak, and me and my family, we seldom speak. I never gave a damn about cars and guns, just as long as they'd shoot and as long as they'd run. And I guess it's a good thing I never had a son. Oh, but in the long run, God works in mysterious ways. Y'all ought to see my grandson.